Okay, so now that you're done discussing, we are going to use these words, these 4 words from the past 2 weeks from Arandi's braids, to answer some questions, okay? So the vocab words are actually going to be in the question, and then when you use the prompt to respond, you will be saying the word, okay? So here's our first question. The first question is, would you be embarrassed if you could not grip the basketball very well during a basketball game and you accidentally threw it out of bounds? Would you or would you not be embarrassed? So, with that question, I need you to talk to your partner like we do when you're in my room and discuss it using the prompt. On your white worksheet that you got from Mrs. Brandt, you need to look at it and find the prompts part and then go to number 1 and it should say, I would or would not be embarrassed because, and so you'll use that to talk with your partner. And what I want you to do is actually pause the video right here, and then when you're done talking, you can unpause it and I'll continue on, okay? Go ahead. Okay, so you finished talking about that one. Now we're going to do question number 2. The same thing as we did with question number 1, but we're doing it with question number 2. So here's the question. Would you prepare to cross a busy street with your little brother by gripping his hand? And why? So you're going to use prompt number 2. Prompt number 2 says, find it on your paper, I would or would not prepare by gripping my brother's hand because. Okay, so talk about that with your partner. Make sure you take turns and make sure you pause it right here, and I'll talk to you once you're done. Okay, if you're done, you should have unpaused it right now, and we should be on number 3, okay? What did you think? Did you think you were going to grip your brother's hand? I don't know. You'll have to tell me when I get back, okay? Okay, now number 3. Would you be embarrassed if you huddled with your brother under an umbrella during a rainstorm? Would you be embarrassed? Why or why not? So use prompt number 3 on your worksheet, and prompt number 3 says, I would or would not be embarrassed because, wait, I messed up. Let's back up 2 seconds. Prompt number 3 says, I would or would not be embarrassed if I huddled with my brother under an umbrella because. Okay, talk to your partner. And this one is actually the last part of this video, so you can just let it end. And it's going to end in just a second when I press the button.